then, I lucked out. And yeah, you have some dust bunnies. Little cobwebs, but a little dust on the cooling motor. Shit, this thing's clean. Yeah, this is clean. Honestly, even that exterior isn't that nasty. Even the inside of the microwave. Bit of a trash-picked nicety. I think he's cleaned up pretty well, all things considered. I'm a bit too young to experienced these knob-based microwaves. I pretty much all being older Gen Z, I've grown up with the ones with the digital thing. Almost all of them Medias. It's one of the very few non-Media microwaves I've actually experienced. Honestly, Medea makes some damn nice microwaves. So, well, plugged in. It'd be a shame to make a mess in there after I just wiped it down. Don't know why it's not percentage, but well. Oh. Yeah, that's kind of what I get for not testing that, huh? I'm plugged in. Oh shit. Oops. Oh well, I'll figure that out. Now, if I end up seeing any of you fuckers doing crap like this, we should hang out, because clearly we think it's similar. No, seriously, this is fantastically dangerous with any old appliance, but even more so with yeah, stuff like microwaves, because yeah, I microwave oven transformers are horrifying. Ooh. Yeah, that fuse is blown. Ironically, this light bulb came from another microwave, so I don't know what rating that fuse is. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Right, 200 watt? I don't see anything happening. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Don't shift. Well, that's a bit of a disappointment, isn't it? Unplug this. Maybe it's that thing. I don't really feel comfortable snooping around with that, and to some extent that sitting in here. These Magatrons, only maybe it's the timer, I don't know. Bit of a bummer though. I guess the moral of the story here is buy Chinese. Here's the badge on the back for anyone interested. Realize, but this has a switch in it, so. Oh yeah. Do we get the? I think we just need a new fuse. I have a microwave downstairs. Another one that I trash picked. Let me grab that. The fuse out of that. Well, actually, I'm an atheist. Well, regardless of religion, I don't plan on dying anytime soon. So what I'm actually gonna do, button this back up, shove it downstairs. I don't normally, and just let it sit so that that can like discharge itself, because I don't normally do that. But this is not just high voltage. This is also high current. So I'm gonna put this video out. Wait a few days. Revisit this.